Welcome to the electric car revolution. Electric cars are changing not just how we drive, but how we think about energy. With growing concerns over sustainability and the need for cleaner alternatives, the rise of electric vehicles is inevitable. But what powers these cutting-edge machines? The answer lies in a crucial element, lithium. This lightweight metal is vital to the advancement of electric cars. Stick with us as we dive deeper into the significance of lithium and why it's key to a sustainable automotive future. You'll see how lithium isn't just another material, it's a game changer driving the electric vehicle industry towards a brighter future. Despite promising a greener future, electric cars face significant challenges. One of the pressing issues is battery efficiency. Current batteries struggle to store enough energy, leading to limited driving ranges. Sustainability remains a major concern. The manufacturing process of electric cars, especially without lithium, presents numerous environmental hurdles. Materials used are often scarce, and mining them can cause substantial ecological harm. Additionally, the high cost of production and complex technologies involved create further barriers. It's clear that finding effective solutions is crucial for widespread adoption. Moving forward, you'll see how the discovery of lithium has been a game-changer in overcoming these obstacles. Enter lithium. This lightweight metal has transformed the way we think about energy storage. Discovered in the early 19th century, lithium's unique properties soon became apparent. It's exceptionally light, highly reactive, and can store energy efficiently. But it wasn't until the late 20th century that its game-changing potential was realized. Ever wondered what makes electric cars so powerful yet efficient? Lithium-ion batteries. These batteries use lithium to store and release energy, making them far superior to older technologies. Their higher energy density means they pack more punch while taking up less space and weight, and they have a longer life cycle, crucial for electric car usage. Without lithium, the promise of electric cars might never have been fulfilled. As we continue, you'll see how lithium is integrated into electric car batteries, highlighting its indispensable role. Stay with us as we explore how lithium revolutionizes sustainable energy solutions. In the world of electric cars, the magic begins with lithium. This lightweight, efficient element is the backbone of every electric car battery. During the manufacturing process, each step is designed to optimize performance and sustainability, from the precise mixing of lithium compounds to the careful layering of electrodes. Lithium's unique properties create batteries that are powerful and durable. Efficiency is at the core of this process. Lithium allows manufacturers to create batteries that store more energy and last longer, reducing the frequency of replacements and environmental impact. This commitment to sustainability is crucial as we shift towards a greener future. Innovations in lithium technology continue to push boundaries, enhancing battery performance and longevity. This is the future of transportation, with lithium making electric cars more efficient and sustainable. Join us as we explore the broader impact of lithium on transportation and beyond. Thanks to lithium, electric cars are more efficient and sustainable than ever, paving the way for a greener future. The impact on transportation is profound. With lithium at their core, electric vehicles are reducing our carbon footprint and offering unprecedented efficiency and reliability. The environmental benefits are clear. Less reliance on fossil fuels means cleaner air, healthier communities, and a significant step towards fighting climate change. The journey doesn't end here. As innovation continues and lithium technology advances, expect even wider adoption of electric vehicles. Imagine city streets lined with silent, zero-emission cars and transportation hubs powered entirely by green energy. From daily commutes to long-haul travel, lithium is transforming how we move. It's not just about cars, the ripple effect extends to buses, trucks, and beyond. Lithium symbolizes a shift towards a sustainable, efficient world. We've come a long way, but this is just the beginning. Join us on this journey. More innovation is on the horizon. The journey doesn't end here. As pioneers of the electric revolution, it's time for you to take the next step. Join us in this transformative movement by subscribing to our channel. Like this video to show your support and stay informed on the latest in electric car technology. Your engagement is crucial as we continue exploring the incredible potential of lithium in crafting a sustainable future. Together, we can drive the change towards a greener tomorrow. Every click, like, and share brings us closer to a world powered by clean energy. Thank you for being part of this exciting journey. Stay tuned for more insights and innovations. Until next time, keep imagining and driving forward. Your support fuels our mission. Subscribe now, and let's revolutionize the future of transportation together.